Ngibingelele the apostle of God Bangele who was ministering here. Hallelujah. Thank you so much, man of God. See, hallelujah. Ngibingelele our program director, Pastor Anele. Hallelujah. Then go submit to my wife. Hallelujah. Then ngibingelele the worshiping team, ushering department. Hallelujah. Ngibingelele abo mama bonke, abo baba bonke, abo gogo bonke. Egameni likaJesu shayela isandla ukuthi nikhona. Thank you so much. Ngibingelele umndeni losami wakashando wakambatha. Hallelujah. Ngibingelele umndeni wami kwesama kaMahlamu. Hallelujah. Ngiyathokoza Nkosiyami to come ukuthatha isikhathi sakho uzoba khona la. Hallelujah. Bamele ngiswela amagama bonga angazi ngithini but uNkulunkulu nje unabo azobonga nabo. Nikhona bamela ngisho because uNkulunkulu akafani nomuntu. Umuntu angafuna mhlambe ngimbonge la kanti uJehova kusama ukubuke kusithekele. Nikhona bamela ngisho. So when you know who contributed to Sunday Thanksgiving, thank you so much. Thank you so much.